Hi there, it's James here bringing the walk around of the Melbourne Red 420D Coupe here at Your Next Car. So we're going to take a walk around the exterior whilst talk through some of the features and options. Then of course we'll make our way through onto the interior, where once we're there we're going to go through all of the interior options and features in a bit more depth. A few major talking points to talk through on the exterior. This vehicle benefits from having the full BMW OEM Mperformance body styling kit, and it is a very nice mixture of the gloss black, satin and full carbon fibre. And you'll see all of that as we make our way around, and as I've mentioned, it is a genuine fitted at BMW Mperformance body styling kit, as opposed to our Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit. So as you can see up front, we've got a very nice, beautiful carbon fibre front splitter along with the gloss black kidney grills. You will also see that this vehicle benefits from the Msport Plus pack. So what is included in that? We have the much larger front and rear brakes. Alongside we've got the Angel Art and Xenon headlamps. And of course, as I mentioned at the start of the video, the vehicle is finished in the absolutely stunning Melbourne Red, and a very nice colour contrast of the carbon fibre and of course both the satin and gloss black. Gloss black air breather on both front wings, as you can see there. And in a second we'll take a quick glance at the interior, not before showing you off the lovely OEM Mperformance side vinyls, sidebars and Mperformance decals. Heading on for a quick glance at the interior, which is also the black Dakota leather, which in the front has the heated seat function along with having the electric lumbar. We've got the Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. And of course we will go through all of the interior specs and features in a bit more detail in just a second. Privacy glass as well. And there is the much larger rear Msport Plus brakes. And the vehicle is sitting on the stunning 19-inch LA Msport alloys, which are in the original Biorbit grey, and they are in very, very good condition indeed. Moving around, you will see the stunning Mperformance carbon fibre rear boot spoiler. And you will also note there that the vehicle has the Xdrive Four-wheel drive system equipped as well, which for a 2 litre of any of the variants 4 or 3 series is an extremely rare option indeed. So we'll give you a quick glance at the boot space. If you've not yet already seen one, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how much boot space there is for a coupe style vehicle. And you can of course split fold the seats should you require any further room. A nice long shot down the side of the car to take in the very nice contrast of the Melbourne Red and black and carbon once again. Really is a vehicle that you do need to come and see to appreciate just how great the all-round package does look once it's all put together nicely. Very difficult to get right in the photos and videos, especially with we've got a little bit of light popping through today as the sun has finally decided to come out. Might be starting to get into the warmer days, hopefully. Okay, so we'll take a quick glance at the rear seats, where of course you do have an Isofix rear bench and that centre folding armrest, and of course the centre storage tray, and of course being an M Sport we do get the lovely black anthracite headlining. Okay, so I'm going to walk round back to the other side, jump into the driver's seat and go through all of the interior features and spec in a bit more detail now. Just want to show you off that lovely carbon fibre front splitter. Again, really does make the world of difference having that equipped. Okay. Another thing to mention, this vehicle has also had some nice little tweaks done to it as well. I.e. when you open the door or put the ignition on, the Mperformance logo does come on into the central display, as you can see there. So again, a nice little tweak from the previous owner. Starting the car up, you will see that it's not due a service for 12,000 miles, and again we'll go through all of the service display in a minute. It has covered just over 34,000 miles, so a nice low mileage example. It of course has the superb 8-speed sport gearbox, which also has the paddle shift, which sits on the multi-function M Sport steering wheel, which comes with the cruise control, speed limiter function, voice control and volume control, and the mode select. Going over to your professional wide navigation and media, which also happens to be the facelifted version of that. It comes with all the new latest software, including the connected drive online search function, as you can see there. And we'll go through all of the basic functions, including the navigation, communication menu for Bluetooth, Bluetooth telephone and audio, DAB radio, and a wide array of other multimedia inputs as well. Okay, so going around all of the other features, going into my vehicle on vehicle status, as you can see everything else is in green, and the next service is at 12,000 miles as we've already discussed, and the vehicle does have full BMW service history right from the first and to the second service, which is fantastic news. Front brake pads aren't due for 43,000, and the rears will be much the same, 47,000, so wearing nice and evenly. So that is a walk around of the stunning Melbourne Red, which is equipped with the Genuine OEM Mperformance body styling kit. Definitely worth coming to see the car, and I'm sure when you come to see it, you will agree it looks absolutely even better in the flesh than it does in this video or in the pictures. However, we do of course hope you found this walk around video useful, but most of all, we do hope to see yourself very soon here at your next car. Thanks for watching. Do of course take care. Thank you. Goodbye.